Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having internet problems after restarting your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu. Type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here. And you want to select internet connections, find and fix problems with connecting to the internet or to websites, and select run the troubleshooter. And then you can go ahead and select troubleshooting to the internet or a specific web page here. And then if that was unable to resolve the problem, if you actually close out of here, open up the start menu, type in network reset. Again, if you were unable to be successful with that, go ahead and select the network reset option here, guys. And it's going to give you the option to remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted, so just make sure you have your Wi-Fi code nearby, because when you restart you're going to have to enter that back in. And then select the reset now button, select yes, and now you're going to have to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. And then you can select your sharing settings on the right panel here. And that's about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.